just remind you of moon pose, okay? I'm sure you know this. We come down and lift one leg, turn the head, and lift the arm. Okay, so just going to face this way. Right. Ready? So face whichever way would suit you. Come down. Okay, now fingertips on the floor. So hands should be only about a foot or maybe less than a foot away from your toes. Okay, so not very far from your toes. It should be under the shoulders. You may need to bend the knees. That's okay. Then lift your right leg until it's horizontal, so to 90 degrees. Turn your head, fix your gaze at something, look at something. Then take your right hand off just slightly, so hover the hand a little bit. Okay, you may want to stay here or put that down. But if you want to, lift the arm. Keep your chest open, then don't take your eyes off. Okay, bring that down. And come up. Okay, we change sides. This side, I'll try to move you a little bit. Okay, so now come down. Okay, fingertips on the floor. They should be under the shoulders. Bend the knees if you need to. Lift your left leg to 90 degrees. Turn your head to the left. Focus. Okay, take your left hand off just very, very slightly. Just see if you can stay in hovering or hand on the floor. Or if you want to, lift the arm. Okay, and stay. Let me see. Okay, very good. Come down.